I got the idea of using plywood for flooring 16 years ago. Had some rotten wood in the laundry room, and my solution was to put a sheet of plywood over top and stain in polyurethane. It's proven to be real nice and durable. Fast forward 15 years, I needed to do new floors in this back room here, and decided to do plywood. This room's a perfect size for 3 sheets of plywood side by side. Had to trim a little bit, but it was real easy. I used, I think it was a 3/8 inch, 3/8 or half plywood, and fastened it with crown staples, just face nailed crown staples down. There's one, there's one, there's one. About 8 inches probably apart from each other. Probably about 40 staples per sheet. And then did a light sanding and staining. And then probably 3 coats of polyurethane. Light sanding between probably the first and second coat of polyurethane. But like I said, it's been about a year and it's super smooth. Real nice and glossy, real durable, and looks great. I also did a plywood floor in this closet a couple years ago. 3/4 inch plywood. And fastened it the same way, face nailed, staples. Turned out real nice.